Who would have thought that my weight of 180 pounds would serve me so well in so many different ways? Good day to you all. I am Sue Johnson, retired counselor, and I am a senior working on an idea of moving into an RV full-time with my 80-year-old husband. By the time we get this on the way, he might be 81 and I'll be 70. Now, there's obviously a lot of things you cannot take into an RV with you. And so I thought about these compression bags. They would be a great way for me to store bedding and winter coats, hats, and scarves. So as I think about moving into an RV, I don't have to think about getting rid of absolutely everything. Obviously, there's going to be things I need to keep. So I got these compression bags and I thought I would try them out. And basically, most of them say to put your items in, roll it up, squeeze out the air. It does go out one little corner. You can actually hear or feel it coming out of the corner. And they work. They really do compress, probably push things down about 50% of the size they used to be. So I tried a downy duvet with its cover, and I tried a quilt. That's what you're viewing here right now, a quilt that I made. It's actually over 30 years old, this poor quilt, but I don't have the heart to give it up, not yet. So I put those two items into a compression bag to save them. And the third bag, which I'm going to be showing you, is a quilt that I love to travel with. So when I go to Disney, I take my own quilt along. When I go camping, I take my own quilt. And I just wanted to see how much it would actually compress down. So I was really pleased. One way to help ameliorate the process is to roll your item first and then slip it into your bag. You might find that it's just like oversized. It's not going to fit into the bag, as you can see in this picture. But you can push it down, and then you grab the little handy tool that the compression bags give you, well, the company gives you, and you slide it along to seal the top edge. Don't worry about getting the air out yet. So they always say to roll it to get the air out, but I found that if I sat on it, if I put the item on the floor and I just sit on it very slowly, not fast because I don't want to pop open that sealed edge, sit on it and the air gradually goes out and it comes out of one little corner in the bag. So you can actually feel it coming out and then you can feel it slowing down. So the end result is great. You can see the 50% reduction here. I measured it. It was 4 inches high. Now it's only about 2. It's kind of hard to measure it, but it really does compress it down, save space. My only thought with all of this is that when you put all these things together, they're actually kind of pretty slippery. So I don't know if you have a box or something that you want to put them into your cupboard so they don't slip and slide all over the place. Whatever you have to do to keep them in one spot. Maybe if you put them up like storing files in a cupboard and stand them upright, maybe that will help. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned as I share more ideas on getting ready to live in an RV full time. It's a lot of work.